Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Now that my Japan vlogs are officially done, edited, and posted, we can move on with my current life because it's taken me way too long to get those videos done. But I really hope that you enjoyed them. If you haven't seen them, they're the past 3, 4, 5 videos that I've made. There are also videos in Shanghai as well. The trip was amazing. Yeah, basically, I'm happy to be done those videos and happy to move forward. So if you didn't know, I not only post videos on YouTube, but I actually stream daily on Twitch. On Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 11 a.m., I game, and right now I've been playing Stardew Valley, and I'm obsessed. It's such an amazing game. And on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 2 p.m., I do drawing streams, in which I draw, you can suggest things for me to draw, we listen to chill music, and just hang out, and it's really nice. I really like it. Starting in July, though, I will no longer be streaming on Wednesdays because I need a day off in order for me to do things like laundry and other projects that I'm working on, because screaming every day is tiring. Streaming every day is tiring. Okay, this was kind of a long intro, and I don't want my title to seem clickbaity, so the fact is, my Twitch followers donated enough money to raise money to buy me a new desk! This video is a huge thank you to everyone who got us to that donation goal so that I could get a new desk that doesn't break my back. My old desk was a hand-me-down piece of furniture, which I'm very grateful for because it got me through the months of work I've done up till now, but my seat didn't fit in it, my equipment didn't fit in it, and it was really not ergonomic at all, and I was starting to really struggle with my neck and back because I was not sitting properly. And there was no space for me to even draw on that desk, so I would always have to draw on the dining table, which is fine, but it's nice to have one office space in which I can work and hold everything that I need. So in order to celebrate, after I ordered the desk and received it, my sister and I streamed the entire thing. We built it all on Twitch live stream, and it was really fun. So I'm gonna enter some clips now so you can see us building it, and it was really fun. And then the end of this video will be the before and after reveal of my old workspace versus my new one. And I hope you enjoy it. I'm amazed with my new desk. I love it so much. Thank you so much. I can't stop saying thank you, but honestly, it's made such a big difference in my work life, and it's just so helpful. I can't express enough how helpful it is. But yeah, let's get to the Twitch live stream because it was fun. You like montages, right? Right. Let's go. Reveal, reveal, reveal. We made this in an hour. Wow! I have drawers for my stuff. Wow! Wow! What a drill! Ooh, guys. Love it. Wow, we finished that a lot faster than I thought we would. I know. It's only 3:25. This is amazing. Ta-da! It was a good 2 hours, and we got it done, which is crazy. So now I have to cool off, blast the AC. Yeah. Thank you for helping. So farewell, everyone. Farewell. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the desk. It's so wonderful. I'm so excited.